Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So since it's already given in the PDF, there is no point of writing it down. If you remember, I have asked you all to read a chart and then come to the class in the last class, right? এখন chart পঢ়িব দিছিলো নেকি মনত আছে নে নাই
দিছিলে
পঢ়িছা নাই So in this chapter, we have to do in details this portion, that is the photosynthetic protist. Photosynthetic protist, kiman types of photosynthetic protist? 3 types, ki? Translates, diatoms, aru, euglena. Right. So we have to talk about, or we have to study about each of them, right? Information about each of them has already been given in your PDF in the form of a chart. Paisane? Please take out page number 105.
Yes, ma'am.
105 to 103. I think it's 103. 103, right? In that chart, what you see is, you see a comparison, not exactly a comparison, certain informations about these 3 organisms, right? In the form of a point. This one pointed BSA, each and every point is important, right? So you have to know about it. Okay, let's start with the first point. The first point that is given in your chart is something called as division. Yes or no? Photosynthetic protista division dia ase. Keta division? 3ta division? Ki? Pyrophyta, chrysophyta, and euglenophyta. So the question that has been already asked is, the member of Pyrophyta is, so you have to identify who belongs to which division, right? Or ulta ke hudi papare, the diatoms belongs to which division. So in the chart, please mark that point as important. Number 1, division kuntu. For example, if you are talking about Dinoflagellates, what is the division? Pyrophyta. Diatoms or Chrysophyta, and euglena, obviously it's euglenophyta. I think it's well understood. Next is, it's about the habitat, right? Habitat of ki important. And kam kora. In the chart itself, you'll just mark it down. Second point is about habitat. Habitat of key unique. If you see, all of them are aquatic, but the unique point is, you can see the word marine in case of Dinoflagellates. So please underline that word marine. Paisane?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So marine word to underline kora, because Dinoflagellates are mainly marine. So that is important. Next is about the common name. Common name point is also important. Question I say golden algae, golden brown algae. And if you are talking about euglena, there is a specific common name boli nai. It is other plant animal protist by consumer decomposer. Sorry, producer consumer protist. Eneke kwa jai. Kintu golden algae, golden brown algae, plus diatoms or jewels of the plant kingdom. I think you can see that point. Diatoms of jewels of the plant kingdom. Why they are called as such? Because if you remember, we have written a word or a line saying diatoms into cell structure, but body looks like key. Or we have written something called as a glass house. First class of likhisilo. Anyway, jewels of the plant kingdom, point important. Next, point number 4, about the cell wall, the specific names, right? Cell wall or a unique question ki hai, the cell wall question about euglena. Euglena cell wall present ne absent. Ki hoy?
I'm absent.
Absent.
It is absent. So that point is very important. Euglena cell wall is absent. Right? Next is, what are the 2 names? Dinoflagellates or cell wall or ki naam, or diatoms or cell wall or ki naam. Right? Theca or lorica and fustule. What gita dekha paisa?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So please hegita mark kori loba. Next is about flagella. In case of flagella, which point is important? So some flagella is absent in which group? Absent quote.
Ma'am, chrysophyte.
Diatoms.
Diatoms.
Diatom sort, exactly. So that point is important. Flagella present or absent. It is absent in case of diatoms. If you're talking about dinoflagellates, as the name suggests, obviously they will have two flagella, right? And both the flagella will be morphologically different. And so you will see a word written there. Heterocont condition will likha ase side. Paisa ne?
Ma'am.
Right? So what is heterocont? If an organism has two different types of flagella, no, morphologically different flagella যদি বেলেগ হয়, সেই wordটোত আমি কি use কৰিম? Heterocont, right? ইমান specifically question নাহে যে what are the two types? One is tinsel type, one is smooth. এইবিলাকৰ ওপৰত ইমান question নাহে, right? You have to remember the word heterocont. So talking about flagella, dinoflagellates or dural flagella, heterocont condition. Diatoms of flagella absent, and if you're talking about Euglena, they have two flagella, but one remains inactive. Edal dighol, edal suti, jindal suti or edal inactive, and the long one is active. Here. Next is about reserve food. Reserve food questions bahut ahise. ठीक है, so reserve food point important koi diya. What is the reserve food of Euglena? What is the reserve food of diatoms called as? What is the reserve food of dinoflagellates called as? Right? Chrysolamellarine, right? Or carbohydrates and oil, or in case of Euglena, it is called as peramyelin starch. Maximum question has been asked about diatoms or reserve food key. Okay, so chrysolamellarine is a word that you have to remember, and obviously peramyelin starch also. Right. Finally, we have the pigments. Pigments. Economically questions are like, what is the unique interaction that we see in case of dinoflagellates and diatoms, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. Okay, talking about chlorophyll, have you heard something called as the universal chlorophyll? Universal chlorophyll বুলি word to শুনিছা নেকি? যেহেতু photosynthetic হয়, তো obviously তাহলে pigments থাকিব ন? Pigments বুলি ক'লে the most common pigment that we talk about is obviously chlorophyll. Chlorophyll or universal chlorophyll কি হয়? Because we know chlorophyll is not just one type, no? There might be 9 to 10 types of chlorophyll. Out of that, chlorophyll A is supposed or is called as a universal chlorophyll. So photosynthetic organisms, chlorophyll A will always be present. Right? So in all the three types, chlorophyll A would be present together with chlorophyll B. So just see, chlorophyll C likha ase aru eta chlorophyll B likha ase. Right? And again, from photosynthesis point of view, talking about pigments, it is not only chlorophyll that remains in the form of a pigment, or that is the only pigment. Apart from chlorophyll, we also talk about certain things called as carotenes. We talk about xanthophylls, etc., etc. As a whole, it is called as what? It is called as photosynthetic pigments, right? So since they are photosynthetic, so obviously they will have photosynthetic pigments. What are the pigments that are present? Chlorophyll, yes. Specifically question aha nai je kuntu chlorophyll present. You have tolot likha ase also alpha carotene, beta carotene, etc., etc. Right? So please mark that important point. Juntut alpha carotene ase aru eta beta carotene ase swa. In case of dinoflagellates, you have alpha carotene, baki uta beta carotene. Next is reproduction. Talking about reproduction, all undergoes asexual reproduction. In case of Euglena, khali eta bostu monot rakhibo lagibo. Asexual reproduction boli kole, the most common is obviously binary fission. In case of Euglena, only binary fission will not give you the answer. I mean, maybe if the in option, it might be, or it might be asked that which binary fission, right? Or which type of binary fission does Euglena undergo or show? It undergoes or it shows longitudinal binary fission, right? Binary fission could be transverse, it could be longitudinal also, depending on how the cell divides, right? If you're talking about a cell like this, right, and you have the nucleus, so nucleus to binary fission of cube, it will take the form of a dumbbell and the cell will constrict and ultimately two cells will be formed, right? So if suppose this type of a division is also possible, sometimes what happens in a cell, the cell might divide like this, sometimes a cell might divide like this also, right? So if this is the division, then it is called as transverse. If this is the division, then it is called as longitudinal. In case of Euglena, we see longitudinal division. What is the reason behind? Because Euglena looks something like this, right? If you divide the cell, or if cell division occurs transversely, it is half part, right? Unequal distribution type hobo. So ultimately, they will have to divide like this so that exactly two equal parts are formed. You have to remember the word called as longitudinal binary fission. Any questions up till here? So this is all the content that is present in the chart. As I said, who did a point important? Please mark it down. Next is there are certain points that are not present in the chart, and in spite of that, we have to study. First, starting with maybe we can start with chrysophyta. Right? Chrysophyta kisuman point junki niki chart out nase. No. What does it include? Diatoms and desmids. Two types of organisms. You include diatoms and desmids. Question might be asked, diatoms and desmids belongs to which division? You have to remember about chrysophyta. Next is talking about the shape, right? There could be of various shapes, circular, triangular, rectangular, etc. The most common shape ki hobo? Boat shape. Boat shape means something like this, right? So this would be the most common shape. Next is they show a special type of a movement that is called as gliding movement. Gliding could be easily like understood by the word if you understand the meaning of slide. You slide from one place to another, right? Or you sweep along. That is what is called as gliding. So question is, gliding movement is seen in case of chrysophyta or diatoms. As we have already written, in case of diatoms, what about locomotion? Flagella present and absent.
Ma'am, absent.
If it is absent, then obviously they have to move from one place to another, right? So the type of movement that they show is gliding movement. Next is diagrams something about the cell wall. No? As I said, they look something like this. So cell wall is divided into two parts. This upper part is called as epitheca, and this lower part is called as hypotheca. This structure also looks like soap box. So a বস্তুটো মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব. Soap box like cell, characteristic of diagrams, right? So these are the points that are not present in the chart. Next, talking about diatoms. Cell wall to কি হয়? Indestructible. I think this is something that we have already said, right? Are indestructible, and this forms key diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth হয় আৰু এটা নাম আছে, নামটো জানিব লাগিব Kieselguhr. Right? And this diatomaceous earth, I think this is the part that we have explained, no? Diatomaceous earth কেনেকে form কৰে, cell wallত কি থাকে, silica থাকে, এখানে কি হয়, that it does not get decomposed very easily, and as a result, what happens is the cell wall keeps accumulating, and ultimately it forms something called as diatomaceous earth, that accumulation of the cell wall, right? So diatomaceous earth is also called as Kieselguhr. Kieselguhr for diatomaceous earth or কি থাকে, economic importance থাকে. Right? And what is the economic importance? কি আছিলে? I don't know whether you have gone through the PDF or not. Economic importance কি দিয়ে আছে diatoms of? Soundproofing, filtration, yes or no?
Stone polishing.
Please, stone polishing. Please turn to page number 105 of your PDF. Economic importance. Out of all the economic importance, no? Soundproofing. Then next we have filtration. Filtration of oils and syrup. Right? Polishing, etc., etc. No? sound getting stone polycell filtration of poison chills. Out of this, question has been asked about this. ঠিক আছে, এই point বাকি কিটাও পড়িবা কিন্তু economic importance দিয়ে বলে this point we should take into consideration. Any questions up till here? So, how will you study? You will study the points that are given in the chart, and together with that, apart from the chart, extra points in your PDF. These are the points that you need to study about diagrams, right? And obviously, the division is important. Next, about the next division, that is pyrophyta, right? Pyrophyta, if you talk about, it is dinoflagellates. So, dinoflagellates, also a lot of information has already been given in the chart. The points that are not there in the chart, the first point, dinoflagellates photosynthetic, obviously they are photosynthetic, right? They are also called as armored dinoflagellates. Armored has come from a word called as armored. Do you know what an armor is? Armor ki hoy? I think you have seen the soldiers or maybe the police persons. Yeah, they used to wear a very thick coat in and around their body that gives protection. That is what is called as an armor, right? So in case of dinoflagellates also, their cell wall or their body has a very thick covering, and because of that thick covering, it looks almost like an armor, and so they are called as armored dinoflagellates. Next, talking about flagella, we have already talked about flagella. What we have discussed, the dural, both of them are morphologically different, so heterocont condition. So just diagram that diya ase tumi saba. Something like this. A rough diagram has been given in your PDF. Okay. Okay, so suppose this is the dinoflagellate. So this organism will have two flagella, one flagella and the other flagella. This flagella is said to be the transverse flagella, and that is ribbon-like, right? And this is called as the horizontal, or sorry, this is the longitudinal flagella. This is narrow and smooth. Diagram NCERT. Please refer to the diagram that is given in your NCERT because here diagram to change identify the organism. Right. Next, talking about this organism, since they have two different types of flagella, and their flagella arises from a point that is called as area that is called as sulcus. Okay, so since they have two flagella, one flagella going this side and the other flagella going this side, so this leads to a special type of a movement that is called as so dinoflagellates will call Kennecourt movement as a spinning movement. In case of diatoms, what we have studied, we have seen something called as a gliding movement, right? Spinning movements means what? They will keep spinning in the same area, right? Eta jagate ghuri thakibo karon adult flagella epinate anibo, adult flagella epinate anibo. So which way will the organism move? Ultimately, they will be spinning or spinning in the same area. Because of this condition, this flagella, they are also called as not very important from examination. They are also called as whirling bits. I think you have heard the word called as whirlpool. Whirlpool company, that washing machine, no? Right? So that is what is called as whirling. So they have a whirling movement or a spinning movement. And they are also, these two flagella are also called as whirling whips. Whirling means moving in the same area and width মানে কি? What is our width? Have you seen a jockey? ঘোঁৰা যোনে চলাই তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ জকি ন জকি বিলাকৰ হাতত কি থাকে they have a rope like sabuk very good so that is what is called as a whip right so the pendula are considered as whips next one about dinoflagellate is
Recording in progress.
so কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ movement কৰে কি কথা আমি discuss কৰিলো ন next is an important point about their nucleus. So these organisms have a special type of a nucleus that is called as mesokaryotic nucleus. And up till now, whenever we talk about nucleus, we always talk about two types of nucleus, that is prokaryotic nucleus and the eukaryotic nucleus, right? And I think we know the difference between a prokaryotic nucleus and a eukaryotic nucleus. But these organisms, they neither have a prokaryotic nor a eukaryotic, but intermediate format of that is what is called as a mesokaryotic nucleus. So question ahead, mesokaryotic nucleus is a characteristic of dinoflagellate, one of the organisms that has a mesokaryotic nucleus. Now, when we use the word called as prokaryotic nucleus বুলি ক'লে characteristics it's not well defined, right? It does not have a nuclear membrane, etc., etc. Right? All the chromosomes or the entire set of genetic material that is present is considered as one chromosome. These are the characteristics of a prokaryotic nucleus. On the other hand, if you're talking about the eukaryotic nucleus, again we have some characteristics. Key characteristics is the first word that we use, it's a well-defined nucleus. Second word that our nuclear membrane আছে. Chromosomes, if they are arranged in the form of thin threads, right? Talking about the number of chromosomes, it varies from organisms to organisms. About the eukaryotic nucleus. Now, do you have any idea what a mesokaryotic nucleus is? Mesokaryotic nucleus মানে কি? Okay, mesokaryotic nucleus is obviously not a prokaryotic. It can be considered as a eukaryotic nucleus into a difference. Difference to key hole. So whenever we talk about a eukaryotic nucleus and cell division occurring in that nucleus, say cell division hobo lagile, what is the first condition that occurs? The question is, in a eukaryotic nuclei, so cell to the nucleus ase. Nucleus to eukaryotic nucleus. If the cell has to undergo cell division, either it is mitosis or it is meiosis, প্রথমতে division কার হবো? Will the nucleus divide first or the cell divide, cytoplasm divide first?
Nucleus.
It is always the nucleus that divides first, right? Duta term ase no cell division logot karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Which is the first step? Karyokinesis means breaking down of the nucleus. Talking about cell division duta type of mitosis or meiosis, right? Do you remember the steps of cell division? Steps of cell division mane karyokinesis is, or it gets completed by many phases, no? Ki phase asile? Mitosis or phase or meiosis or phase? Mitosis বুলি ক'লে কিছুমান phase asile নাই? The first phase of mitosis, the second phase of mitosis. নাম কিছুমান asile no? Ki asile?
Metaphase, anaphase, or telophase.
Prophase. Obviously, it starts with prophase, right? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. These are the 4 phases. And or it could be considered as these are the 4 stages we see when the nucleus divides. Which nucleus? Obviously, a eukaryotic nucleus, right? Now, talking about each stage, no? Prophase বুলি ক'লে, we remember that there are certain changes that occurs in the nucleus. Similarly, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, sobore nijor change ase. whenever you talk about prophase, what is the characteristic that you remember? What happens in prophase? The first point is prophase is the first step of karyokinesis. Nucleus division of first stage ki prophase. What happens in prophase? Ki hoy? Another statement that you know is, if you're talking about prophase, mitosis of the prophase is a meiosis of the prophase is there. Which prophase is longer? Kuntu prophase longer? Or in other way around, mitosis and meiosis, which one is longer? Mitosis longer and meiosis longer?
Meiosis.
Meiosis, because we have because you all have studied something called as meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Yes or no? Prophase 1 ase, prophase 2 ase, metaphase 1 ase, metaphase 2 ase. Right? So obviously prophase part of meiosis is longer. Okay. Now the point is, mitosis of two prophase ase, meiosis of two prophase ase. Whenever you talk about prophase, what is the first change that you remember, or what is the first characteristic of prophase? Ki hoy nucleus root? What happens? Or how can you identify the prophase stage? If you see the cell inside a microscope, right, looking at the changes in the nucleus, you would be able to identify which stage the cell is undergoing. So prophase identify kora kuntu stage hoy ba kuntu identification mark ki professor?
Ma'am, chromosome bilak condense ho jay.
Chromosomes bilak condense ho jay. Very good. Tatke agote aru kiba ta hoy? Ki hoy? Something about the nuclear membrane. Forgot everything or what? Vicky, ahoy gola. What about the rest of the students? At least one of them have, or one of you all have answered. What about the rest of the students? Baki bila? Forgot
Chromosome
prophase.
Condense.
Chromosome condenser. Someone has already said. Nuclear membrane kon ki hoy?
Break hoy.
Nuclear, exactly, very good. The nuclear membrane dissolves or it gets broken down or disintegrate, right? So first phase or jetia cell to nucleus is preparing itself to divide. The first stage is called prophase. Prophase begins with dissolving or breaking down of the nuclear membrane. So first stage ki hoy into well organized nucleus cell. Well organized I mean word to here use for, so because they have a specific nuclear membrane. So the first stage is that nuclear membrane will get broken down, and simultaneously condensation of chromosomes, etc., etc. We have the other points. Right? We'll talk about the centros. We'll talk about the centriole also. Right? Duta centriole move koribo, duita koribo. এইবিলাক পিছত কথা পাতিম। কিন্তু identifying points কি যে তাৰ nuclear membrane খন ভাঙি যায় and all the rest of the changes, right? কেতিয়া হ'ব যেতিয়া এই nuclear membrane খন ভাঙি যাব। In case of a mesokaryotic nucleus, first point is they have a well organized nucleus, so obviously তাহাঁতৰ nuclear membrane খন থাকিব। During the time of cell division, when the nucleus is preparing itself to divide, তাহাঁতৰ কি হয় যিমানবোৰ changes ন লাগিলে prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, যিমানবোৰ changes দেখা, in case of a mesokaryotic nucleus, each and every change occurs within that nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane does not divide or it does not get broken down. Normally eukaryotic nucleus এটা কি হয় nuclear membrane খন প্ৰথমতে ভাঙি যায়, কিন্তু ইয়াতে কি হয় বাকি সব হ'ব কিন্তু within the nuclear membrane. That type of nucleus is called as a mesokaryotic nucleus. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. যেহেতু we have just talked about cell division no অকমান যেহেতু আৰম্ভ কৰিছোৱে, details আমি যেতিয়া ক্লাস কৰিম তেতিয়া আমি details of কৰিম, কিন্তু I don't know when we'll do it because we are into biological classification. Next chapter to cell division no. But anyway, just a few points to remember. So prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Identifying point. Prophase, degenerate or disintegration of the or dissolving of the nuclear membrane, condensation of the chromosomes, very, very important point too. Metaphase, all the chromosomes start arranging themselves in the equatorial plane, second line. Third, anaphase, chromosomes move to the two opposite poles, third line. Telophase, telophase of point, it is just the opposite of prophase. Prophase of GP goes to white, telophase are just ulta hoy. Prophase of nuclear membrane kon bhangi jay, telophase of nuclear membrane kon form kore. Prophase of chromosomes condensation hoy, telophase of chromosomes decondensation hoy. Prophase of chromosomes bilak chromatin network bilak chromosomes hole condensed hoy bilak ami proper chromosomes bilak dekha pao. Because we know inside the nucleus at the very beginning, obviously the chromosomes will remain in the form of thin threads, and that is called as chromatin network. Chromatin network condensed hole hai ami chromosomes or proper structure to dekha pam. What hoy prophase of telophase of ki hobo? The proper chromosomes bilak decondensation hoy pele chromatin network ako form kore. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So eneke protekto phase or eta line you need to remember. Mitosis is comparatively easier to remember because you have just 4 points to remember. Meiosis of kintu if you remember, prophase stage of bhag korisile. Mon asen zygote, pectine, diplotin and dikinesis. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Prophase 1 or pasta part asile no. So again what you do is prophase 1 or junta pasta part asile no. Leptotin. What is the most important point? Homologous chromosomes pura hai. Or we talk about it later. Next is zygote not ki hoy synapses form kore. Right? Crossing over hoy. Diplotin not after crossing over separation hoy. Synaptonymal complex bilak dissolve hoy jay. And if you are talking about dikinesis, okay, terminalization takes place. So eta point ke teneke monot rakhiba. That is the basic part. Rest of the things you can keep on adding. Right? So dinoflagellates bilakor ki ase mesokaryotic nucleus. What is a mesokaryotic nucleus? All the steps of cell division occurs within the nuclear membrane, right? Or the cell division does not disappear during karyokinesis, right? The nuclear membrane does not disappear during cell division. That ami ki boli ko mesokaryotic nucleus boli ko. So that was another important point. Next is again talking about dinoflagellates. Now, another important point. Bioluminescence. Bioluminescence mane ki? What is bioluminescence? Biological organisms emitting light is called as bioluminescence, right? So kisuman dinoflagellates enukwa ase june niki they emit light from their body, right? And they have the property of bioluminescence. Yate ami examples ki janibo lagibo. Noctiluca. Egita examples important. Next we have Gonilux. Another example, Pyrocystis. Right? Noctiluca is called as sea ghost. Gonolux, also bioluminescence, Gonolux, and another one. But first Gonolux kothai koi lou. Noctiluca jeneke sea ghost we remember. Gonolux or monot rakhiba. Red tide. Remember we have talked about Red Sea. Right? Ete ami ki paiso red tide. Red Sea, who was responsible? Blue-green algae. Red tide, dinoflagellate. Right? So directly A naam ke upor question nahi pelai. Dinoflagellate. Organisms related with red tide. Option out ki rakhibo dinoflagellates, algae, diatoms, etc., etc. So you have to mark it down as dinoflagellates. Right? Next, certain examples like Gonolux and Gymnodinium, another dinoflagellate. Ihon dutai ki kore je they are sometimes they might be a cause of paralysis in humans. Tahate the toxic substance secreted kore sexy toxin or a sexy toxin via food chain. Humans are ভিতৰত যদি সোমায় humans of কি কৰিব paralysis. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So these are the points, and this is the way you'll read about immunofluorescence, right? Chart খন কৰিবা আৰু এই extra point কেইটা.
Ma'am,
Next.
ghost বুলি কয়
Euglena.
sea ghost বুলি কেলে
Listen.
কয়
Sea ghost বুলি কয় কাৰণ ৰাতি জিলিকি থাকে যে. Right? They will, since they can emit light, no? So in a dark area, if you see light all of a sudden, sailors বিলাকে আগতে কি বুলি consider কৰিছিল ghost বুলি consider কৰিছিল all of a sudden light কৰ পৰা ওলালে right clear
yes ma'am
okay next is the last type of photosynthetic protist euglenoids আমি কি পঢ়িম euglena right euglena কিছুমান point already আমি লিখিছো যেনেকে obviously photosynthetic যেহেতু chlorophyll থাকিবই next is তাহাতে flagella থাকে না থাকে chlorophyll present flagella present something about nutrition we have done in the last class nutrition at a word asile কি type of nutrition কি দেখায় what is the type of nutrition that is seen in case of euglena
Mix of
remember or not very good wine is the topic also we have explained right holophytic holozoic saprophytic গোটেই কিটা type of nutrition দেখা পায় এখানে we use the word called as mixotrophic next is if you are talking about reproduction right reproduction কি আসলে asexual reproduction obviously favorable condition কি হবো longitudinal binary fission আৰু এটা word জানিব লাগে during unfavorable condition they reproduce or they show or they reproduce by palmella stage or cyst formation so either they can form a cyst are a spore-like structure so that they can undergo the unfavorable environmental condition এইটোৰ ওপৰত question আহিছে the palmella stage is seen in what is palmella stage তেনেকে কিন্তু question আহা নাই তথাপি we have to know palmella stage is seen in case of euglena and also in certain type of algae আমি যেতিয়া plant kingdom কৰিম we'll be talking about palmella stage other examples also as of now what is palmella stage so first palmella stage is nothing but formation of a group right so what do the euglena do during unfavorable condition and whenever we are talking about unfavorable condition mainly we are concerned with water shortage or maybe food shortage okay so water shortage condition because these are always aquatic organisms so maybe when there is a shortage of water or high condition what do the euglena do all the euglena come and remain in a group right they form a group and they withdraw their flagella and third point is in and around their body they cover themselves with a thick covering that stage is called as palmella so originally keneke thakibo originally so they always will have flagella right one flagella next is during dry condition all the euglena will come and remain in a form of a group they will withdraw their flagella that point is very important flagella thake na nathake organisms bilakor তাহাঁতৰ flagella নাথাকে because they have any reason to move from one place to another they will withdraw their flagella and they will remain covered by a covering so this is what is called as palmella stage within this covering itself they will reproduce once the favorable condition arrives this covering would be washed away with water and they will develop their own flagella and ultimately they will become free again this is what is called as palmella stage this is the point understood বুজি পাইছো নে নাই palmella stage কি বস্তু palmella stage কি হয় কেতিয়া দেখা পাও
একবাৰ কৈ দিব
okay palmella stage কি হয় এটা stage যেটো নেকি আমি unfavorable condition দেখা পাও unfavorable condition মানে maybe we are talking about dry weather. Euglena bilak kot thake, panit thake, they are aquatic forms. If there is lack of water, what they do is all the euglena that was present in that area, they will form a group. Eta group kori form kori thake. Gutebor jiman dure dure asile sobai group form kore. Second point is they will withdraw their flagella. Agote flagella asile unfavorable condition jete palmella stage form koribo tahate flagella bor naikia kori die nije nije. Aru jiman bor euglena ase in and around their body, they will form a covering. This is what is called as palmella stage. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Eta group of thakibo cover kori. Aru jetia favorable condition hobo, ei covering khon remove hoi jabo, right? It will be washed away with water. These respective euglena will develop their own flagella again, and then they will move out. This is what is called as palmella stage. Clear? Next is the diagram. Diagram diya ase sabasam. Something like this. Can you see the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So you have one short flagella, you have the long active flagella. This is inactive or short. Here you have a structure that is called as paraflagellar body. Juntu niki photosensitive, no? It helps the organism to move towards light. Aru kiba eta bostu ase that is called as the eye spot. Again, photosensitive. Help the organism to move towards light, right? This flagella is called as tinsel type of flagella. Any flagella that hair-like structures, right? That is what is called as tinsel type. Next, euglena is photosynthetic. Obviously, they will have chlorophyll. So in the diagram, dotted areas dekha paisa, no? These are chlorophyll. Next, as we have discussed about their reserve food, this is paramyelin starch. Paramyelin starch ki hoy? Reserve food, right? Next is they also have contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole or kam ki? To maintain osmoregulation. Right? Next is they have a body that is called as endosome. Right? Next, cell wall thake ni na thake? Cell wall is absent. Instead of the cell wall, they will have a covering that is represented by this dotted line. And this covering is called as pellicle. Etu upor question ahe. Thik ase? Jodi cell wall na thake, tate ki thake? So they have a covering that is called as pellicle. In the pellicle, you will see certain lines like this, right? Diagram to kisman enege lines aka ase saba ha. A lines bilakok ki boli koise? Myonemes. Right? A myonemes actually. It is not like this. That this euglena has been divided into segments. ঠিক আছে? এই যে লাইন বিলাক দেখিছা, লাইন বিলাক এনেকুৱা নহয় যে euglena টোক এনেকে এনেকে compartments ভাগ কৰি দিছে. These are certain line-like structures that is present on the covering that is called as the pellicle. Is the point understood?
Line to কথা কি কলে?
Line to কথা কি কৈছো যে euglena গুটেই euglena টো এটা covering আছে আৰু সেই covering খনক কি বুলি কয়? Pellicle. তাহাঁতৰ cell wall নাথাকে, cell wall নাথাকে কাৰণে কি থাকে? Instead they have pellicle. এই covering খনত suppose এটো যদি euglena হয়, euglena টো এখন covering এ cover কৰি দিছে, এই covering খনৰ ওপৰত you see certain line structures. These are called as myonemes. So what are myonemes? In the diagram, a line structures myonemes. Where are myonemes present? The myonemes are present in the pellicle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the function of the myoneme? The myoneme helps the euglena in movement. কি কৰিব পাৰে এই যে pellicle covering খন যে line বস্তু আছে ন, they can expand and contract. They can expand and contract. As a result, because of this, the euglena can move from one place to another. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions? Understood the function of myonemes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So up till here we have discussed the photosyntactic process. Animal-like process we have already discussed. Plant-like process. This,
স্তম্ভ এটা আছে।
Hmm.
এইটো কি হয়?
huh?
ইয়াত যে কি সাইটোস্তম বুলি আছে এইটো কি হয়? সাইটোস্তম।
Cytosome.
সাইটোস্তম।
It is the mouth-like structure. Something this part,
Yes, ma'am.
right? It's that mouth-like structure, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because we know if they do not produce their own food, then animal-like nutrition no তাহাঁতৰ তাত আমি দেখা পাওঁ, so they have to eat. The next is fungi-like protists. Whenever we talk about protists, what we remember that these are কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ organisms, unicellular, eukaryotic. Fungi-like protists, so obviously they will have certain characteristics with fungi. Talking about characteristics, কি হ'ব? Fungi বুলি ক'লে, the first point we remember is the nutrition. Nutrition থাকিব saprophytic. Fungi nutrition কেনেকুৱা? Saprophytic. So fungi-like protists বিলাকক fungi নিচিনা, সেইকাৰণে তাহাঁতেও saprophytic type of nutrition এ দেখা পাব. Right? Next is, what is the most important function of fungi? Fungi বিলাকৰ ecological role কি?
Decomposition.
Do we understand the word called is ecological role? Yeah, very good. So if you are talking about fungi, the most important role is obviously decomposition. So fungi-like protists, or they would be considered as important decomposers, right? Next is, they are also called as the
Consumer.
yeah, plant animal protists or producer consumer protists. Plant animal or producer consumer কিহৰ কাৰণে use কৰো? Because they will show certain animal-like characteristics and certain plant-like characteristics. What is the animal-like characteristics we are talking about? Movement. তাহাঁতে এটা জেগাৰ আনটো জেগালৈ যাব পাৰিব. What is the plant-like characteristics we are talking about is during the reproductive stage, এই fungi-like protists বিলাক plantor নিচিনা হৈ যায়. During vegetative stage, they will look like or they will behave like an animal. During reproductive stage, they will behave like a plant. So what is reproductive stage means? During the time of reproduction, they will form spore. Our spore formation is a plant characteristic. Is it understood? Fungi-like protists are said to have certain characteristics of animals and certain characteristics of plants. When do they look like an animal? When they are in their vegetative phase, and when they are in the reproductive phase, they behave as a plant. In talking about a plant, obviously we talk about spore formation in case of a plant. Spore formation ki hoy? If you are talking about fungi, so what's a common type of reproduction ki? Fungi reproduces by. If you remember from the part that you have already studied, most of the fungi keneke reproduce kore? Asexually by the development of different type of spores. So obviously spore formation is a plant-like character that is also seen in case of protists. Any question up till here? বুঝি পাইছো না নাই?
পাইছো ম্যাম।
So we have to go a little fast. বেশি fast আছে নাকি class to?
No, ma'am.
Okoman to fast, obviously. Okoman fast, so it is obviously as compared to the first day, no. This is a little faster, and I think you can understand why I am taking my class so fast,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Because we need to cover up more and more portions, right? There's no point of writing it down each and every word. Mo likhim tumalke likhiba, right? Buji paisa na, but understanding is very important. You cannot have a fast understanding. Buji paisa. Very good. We'll go to the next topic. Did you buji pone? Please ask so that I can explain again. Any problem? No, na? Okay. Next, another point about slime molds. Talking about, we have talked about the life phase, vegetative or keneke hoy, reproductive phase kenuka hoy, right? Tahat kenuka hoy, saprophytic hoy, right? Decomposition of help for it. Next is free living and all those stuff, not very important. One important point is about slime molds bilake favorable condition or keneke thake or unfavorable condition or ki hoy. Right. During favorable conditions, these slime molds, ki koribo, they will form is this word understood? The slime molds during favorable condition forms aggregations. Aggregation mane? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And this group or this aggregation has a term. Can you see the board clearly?
Yes.
Okay. So, question ahead. Plasmodium formation is a characteristic of slime molds. What is plasmodium? The aggregation of slime molds, right? At a group of form kore. So slime molds like ki hoy? They are very unicellular and microscopic. So they always prefer to remain in a group during favorable condition, and that group is called as the plasmodium. For that, and that is what is plasmodium, right? During unfavorable condition, what happens is just read the line. Is this part of the board visible?
Yes.
Okay. Kiluswa. Any questions? Favorable condition or group or thake group to naam ki plasmodium. Unfavorable condition or ki dekibo tahate sporocarp form koribo, right? So jinto members asile jinto plasmodium form korisile tahate ki koribo sporocarp form koribo. As sporocarp ki boli koiso fruiting bodies. Clear?
Covering to niki mane?
Ha?
Body mane cover to niki mane tenaki?
নহয় fruiting body মানে তাৰ ভিতৰত তাহাতে আকৌ next reproduction কাৰণে spores বিলাক form কৰিব.
Okay.
right? Can reproduction হ'ব লাগিব no? Sporocarp, য'ত spore থকা body, spores বিলাক যোনটো body থাকে, আমি কি লিখো? Sporocarp. Now, slime molds, two types. ঠিক আছে? Right? So fungi-like protists, we have to read only one example, that is slime molds, right? Slime molds is some of the basic ones we have already discussed. Now we are talking about types of slime molds. We see two types of slime molds. One is called as cellular slime mold and the other is called as acellular. Duta type dekha pao. And what are the points of differences? Cellular slime molds, they are always haploid. If you are talking about acellular, they are diploid. Haploid, diploid, we understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Cellular slime molds are uninucleate. These are multinucleate. Here, if they are haploid, what is the type of life cycle that they will undergo? ইহঁতৰ life cycle কেনেকুৱা হ'ব? কেনেকুৱা life cycle? Haploid organisms are
Mitotic.
haplontic, and these will show diplontic. Haplontic life cycle is also called as dash meiosis. কি আছিলে?
Zygotic.
Zygotic.
It is called as zygotic meiosis. আৰু ইহঁতে কি দেখাব?
Gametic.
Here.
Yes.
Okay. Next is something about their sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction that is seen in case of acellular, in case of cellular is anisogamy. Or in this case, here, anisogamy, isogamy, the fusing gametes are morphologically similar. The fusing gametes are not similar. One is small and the other is large. Anisogamy in case of cellular, isogamy in case of acellular. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next point. These cellular slime molds during favorable condition কেনেকে থাকিব? Group form কৰি থাকিব. So তাহাতে কি group form কৰিব? This is one slime mold. This is the another slime mold. So এই গোটেই slime molds বিলাকে এটা গ্ৰুপত থাকিব। ঠিক তেনেকে acellular slime molds বিলাকো এটা গ্ৰুপত থাকিব। Right? এইটো কি হয়? Slime mold. এইটো কি হয়? Nucleus, because we have already said that these organisms are uninucleate. They will remain in that group, and this group is called as just read the word. কি লিখিছে চোৱা?
Pseudoplasmodium.
Pseudoplasmodium.
Pseudoplasmodium or mixed amoeba. কাৰণ তাহাঁতৰ কোনো specific shape and size নাথাকিব ন? Amoeboid type থাকিব। Organisms বিলাক amoeboid হয়, ঠিক আছে? তাহাঁতে যেতিয়া vegetative phase ত থাকে ন, slime molds বিলাক, slime molds, vegetative phase, animalৰ নিচিনা ন, vegetative phase টো, reproductive phase টো plantor নিচিনা. So vegetative phase on, they can keep changing their shape. So we use a word that is called as amoeboid. Okay? Next is in this case, as I said, slime molds will have group of থাকিব. যদি এনেকে থাকে or individually group form কৰে, that is called as pseudoplasmodia. ইয়াতে কি condition দেখিছো যে গোটেইবোৰ plasmodia slime molds বিলাকে fuse কৰি পেলাই এটা structure form কৰিছে মাত্ৰ, right? So this is called as what I said, during favorable condition, the slime molds always remain in a group, and that group is called as plasmodium. But plasmodium formation is seen only in case of which group? Acellular. Cellular slime molds bilake group of group of thakibo. But we will not be using the word plasmodium. Instead, we are using a word called as pseudoplasmodium. Now, can you tell me what is the difference between plasmodium and pseudoplasmodium from the diagram?
Cellular.
It is a group, it is a group.
Cellular cell বোৰ বেলেগ কে থাকিব কিন্তু মানে
Very good.
এটা সেলতে গুটেখিনি ফিউজ হৈ যাব
Very good. In this case, eta individual, that individual হৈ থাকিব, but they will stay in a group. In this case, all the slime molds, right? Jimanbur slime molds asile, their cytoplasm will fuse, but their nucleus will not fuse. That type of a group is called as plasmodium. Yate eblak jemblak dekhisu no? Nuclei. So cytoplasm of the different slime molds fuse together and form one unit, but the nuclei do not fuse. This type of group is called as the plasmodium. Clear?
মেম মানে এনেকুৱা ফিউজন যতে দেখো তাতে প্লাজমোডিয়াম হ'ব ন এনেকে মানে ফিউজ যতে কৰিব তেতিয়া হেতু প্লাজমোডিয়াম
Oh, we can use the word plasmodium. So the nucleus bilak fuse howa nai, kintu cytoplasm bo gute organism bilakor cytoplasm fuse kori eta structure form korise. Tar ami plasmodium word to use koribo pari.
yes ma'am
Clear? Okay. Next, coming to this point. So normally slime molds bilak ki asile? They are individuals, right? Now they are in a group, right? A group to form right? Keneke tahate group form korile. When they are born, they were individuals, right? These individuals assemble together and form the group. This group formation is because of certain type of chemical secretion, right? Eta slime mold kisuman chemical secret koribo. Hey, chemicals beleg slime molds bilakok attract koribo and they will form a group, and this is the way they will form the pseudoplasmodium. So we have to talk about the type of chemicals that they synthesize. If you see in the PDF, atrazine or CAMP. Egita ki hoy? Chemicals. Kune synthesize koribo? Slime molds bilake, right? So they are also called as signaling unit of a cell. One slime mold will secrete the chemicals. As a result, they will give a signal to the other slime mold to come nearer. So they are considered as signaling units of a cell. Clear?
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. As we have already discussed, during favorable condition, slime molds bilake ki koribo? Group of thakibo. During unfavorable condition, tahate ki koribo? Sporocarp form koribo. So unfavorable condition A group to ki hobo? Is the diagram clear?
yes ma'am
Right? Similarly, this group also will form sporocarp. Duita group is sporocarp form korile, kintu duitar method to beleg hoy ne nohoy? So diagram is different.
হয় ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference?
এটাত সিঙ্গল সিঙ্গল ফর্ম কৰিলে আৰু তাত গোটেই গ্ৰুপটোৱে
Very good. ইয়াতে এটা organism এটা spore card form কৰিছে ইয়াতে many spore cards from the same group. Clear?
yes
এনেকে ধৰণে যদি এটা organism এটা spore card form কৰে we use a word that is called as monocentric spore card formation আৰু ইয়াতে আমি use কৰিম polycentric. Are the two words clear? Question ahe, monocentric condition is a characteristic of cellular ne acellular. Polycentric spore card formation is a condition of cellular ne acellular. Clear?
yes ma'am
Okay. Next. In case of this condition, no, cellular organisms ye kenuka dhorone spore card form koro monocentric. Cellular organisms bilakok আৰু এটা word use কৰিছো চোৱাচোন পঢ়িব পাৰিছা নাই
hologamous
Hologamous.
hologamous. So cellular organisms becomes hologamous ketia during unfavorable condition. Means what? Now you have to understand the meaning of hologamous. Hologamous mane ki? The entire organism converting or transforming itself into a spore is called as hologamous. Eta organism asile, eta organism ki form korile, eta spore form korile. Gradually what happens is, if suppose we are talking about this one as a slime mold, right? Favorable condition. Unfavorable condition of tahare ki hobo lahe ke spore to form koribo. This spore will keep on growing, right? Dangor ke form koribo, form kori. এই organismটোৰ যিমানবোৰ cytoplasm nucleus সব কোলে গুছি যাব স্পোৰটোলে গুছি যাব. Is the point understood? This organism completely will get transformed into a spore and this is what is called as hologamous. In this case hologamous হোৱা নাই কিন্তু organism to আছে organism এ বেলেগ বেলেগ spore form কৰিছে ইয়াতে কি হৈছে এটা organism আছিলে কি কিহলে convert হৈ গল এটা spore convert হৈ গল the entire organism transforming itself into one spore is called as hologamous condition. Is the point clear?
Yes.
এই cellular
Right? So during
এই cellularটোত নহব ন
acellular to নহব কাৰণ organism to আছে ন এটা organism এটা spore to form কৰা নাই ইয়াতে এটা organism আছে organism to totally নাইকিয়া হৈ গল মানে হে organism to identity এ নাই এটা কি হলে চেঞ্জ হৈ গল এটা spore চেঞ্জ হৈ গল
yes
right তেতিয়াহে আমি hologamous word to use কৰিম clear okay and since we have talked about this as sporocards এর ভিতর কি লিখব spores the spores will again germinate to form what cellular slime molds বিলাক কেনেকুৱা হ'ব amoeba clear yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
okay in case of acellular this is the sporocarp right this sporocarp will produce what spores the spores will be of two types so what we can understand from the title this type of a sporocarp will develop two types of spores one flagellated and the other non-flagellated but in case of cellular only one type is produced here next they will fuse spores বিলাক কি হয় হ্যাঁ
মেম ইয়াত যে কলে আকৌ যে ইয়াৰ পৰা স্পোৰ ফৰ্ম নহব বুলি তাৰপৰা আকৌ বেলেগ বেলেগ টাইপৰ স্পোৰ কেনেকে হ'ব
ক'ত spore form নহব spore to form হ'ব এইটো এটা organism এ fruiting body form কৰিলে fruiting body টোৰ নাম কি sporocarp মানে কি স্পোৰ থকা ঘৰটোৰ নাম স্পোৰোকাৰ্প সো তাহাঁতে ঘৰটো ফৰ্ম কৰিলে ঘৰটোৰ ভিতৰত কি ফৰ্ম কৰিব
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
spores right next what was the ploidy of this organism acellular বিলাকৰ ploidy কিমান আছিলে
Twice.
diploid organisms twice n cellular বিলাকৰ ploidy কিমান আছিলে
And
N.
And so these organisms will produce a sporocarp. Inside the sporocarp, they will have spores, and these spores will always be what? Haploid. And spores are what? Haploid, right? It undergoes meiosis and then it produces spores. In this case, this organism was twice in. This sporocarp the fruiting body to ploidy kiman hobo? Twice in. Inside the sporocarp, spores will be formed. Spores of ploidy kiman? N. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
These spores needs to germinate and produce the parent organism. So spore kita ki asile? N. Right? A N duta fuse korile twice N hobo. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
The point is inside this sporocarp, since it is a lower organism, inside this sporocarp we see two different types of spores. One type is flagellated, the other type is non-flagellated, right? So what we will see, this spores will germinate or fuse to form the parent body. While fusing, non-flagellate will always fuse with non-flagellate, flagellate will always fuse with flagellate. A2 আৰু A2 fuse কৰিব নোৱাৰে. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the point understood?
Yes.
Right? So, ekhini asile informations about protist. And we have completed fungi like protist. Hologamous, monocentric, polycentric, right? That was monot rakhiba. So, we have completed two kingdoms, that is Monera and Protista.
Ma'am, ইয়াৰ যে এটা
Hmm.
point বুজি পোৱা নাছিলো
Hmm.
is a amoeboid plasmodial stage resembles protozoa হেতু কি হয়
Amoeboid plasmodial stage resembles protozoa. Protozoans বিলাকৰ এটা example amoeba হয় নহয় amoeba কি হয় protozoa নহয় জানো
yes ma'am
right amoeba characteristic কি যে তাহাঁতে pseudopod form কৰে আৰু তাহাঁতৰ একো specific shape নাই
yes
right so slime moles বিলাকেও vegetative phase of তাহাঁতৰ একো specific shape নাথাকে so we are using the word amoeboid and since they are amoeboid hey character to ami kihor nisna boli koiso animal nisna boli koiso
yes ma'am
is the point understood
yes ma'am
any more questions from this part can we move to the next kingdom
yes ma'am
okay so a kingdom fungi introductory two statements are given in the pdf the study of fungi is called as mycology who is the father of fungi who is the indian father of fungi etc talking about fungi the mode of nutrition ki hoy saprophytic they are considered as best decomposers next is where can you find the fungi in almost all the places wherever you get a humid condition no pani thaka jeka jega hole hol fungi bilak tare thakibo what is important in the pdf that specific ketaman examples dia ase for example fungi growing in cow dung is called as soson paisa nai just see Orticolous, Caprophilus, Epizyric এই word gita paisa nai
yes ma'am
Paiso, ma'am.
paisa tar bhitor out of those informations that are given Point number 1 and point number 3 important. Means fungi. Question I have, what is corticolous fungi? The fungi that grows in tree bark is called as corticolous. What is caprophilous? Fungi that grows in cow dung is called as caprophilous. Point 1 and point 3, I think. 3 net 2 according to your PDF, right? So point 1 and 2 is important. Rest any pohiba. Nothing to explain over there.
Kaudang
So we
নাই লিখা
Kaudang.
কাউডাংটো কি কৈছে
cow dung likha nai. Point number 2.
কাউডাং লিখিছে মানে হেৰিটো নাই লিখা পাঞ্জাটো নাই লিখা
Panjai nai.
No. So specific fungi to নাম দিয়া নাই, right? Which species of fungi দিয়া নাই? এটা মোৰ নাম এটা আছে। যোনবিলাক fungi কাউডাঙত grow কৰে, সেই fungi বিলাকক কি কয়? Coprophilous. Bracket লিখা নাই নেকি?
নাই
নো
লিখা
মেম
Nai ma'am.
পাইছা? নাই পোৱা ন?
Nai pua.
কি লিখা আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে তোমালোকৰ?
মই একোৱে লিখা নাই অকল কাউডাং বুলি লিখা
Okay, ঠিক আছে হ'ব। অকল কাউডাং বুলি লিখা আছে ন? ঠিক আছে, এইটো লিখি লোৱা। Clear? Okay, next is on the basis of food. কি কৰে? Parasitic হ'ব পাৰে, saprophytic obviously, and they can also stay in symbiotic association, right? Fungi বিলাক symbiotically থাকিব পাৰে, symbiotically with algae, right? Fungi can live symbiotically with algae. That relation is called as K.
লাইকেন
Lichens.
Lichen. Fungi living symbiotically with the roots of higher plants. Association is called as
মাইকোরিজা
Mycorrhiza.
mycorrhiza. Right? So lichen important, mycorrhiza important. Right? So talking about nutrition, parasitic, saprophytic or symbiotic. Next. Ekini portion already PDF ot ase. Next is talking about the plant body. Ei bostu khini okon buzi loba ha. Plant body of fungi kenekwa dekhat? Enekwa? Right? This entire is called as mycelium. Eta part of ki boli koy? Hyphae, right? So mycelium composed of ki?
Hyphae.
Mycelium or hyphae buzi paisam nai?
পাইছো মেম
Right? A hyphae bilakor aru eta important point. Hyphae could be septate or aseptate. Means eta part no? Eta part of jodi eneke septa ase tak ami ki boli kom septate. আৰু এডাল হাইফি আছে য'ত নেকি একো এনেকুৱা সেপ্টা নাই এডালক আমি কি বুলি কম সেপ্টা সো হাইফিটো এনেকুৱা হ'ব পাৰে হাইফি এনেকুৱা হ'ব পাৰে যদি সেপ্টা আছে তাক কি বুলি কম সেপ্টেট সেপ্টেটত যদি থাকে তেতিয়াহ'লে it could be of two types monokaryotic or dikaryotic means monokaryotic hyphae keneka je etal hyphae ase tat septa ase right the hyphae has been divided into compartments and each cell has one nucleus monokaryotic dikaryotic keneke it is a hyphae it has septa but each cell has two nucleus Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If the hyphae is affected, তেতিয়াহ'লে কেইটা nucleus থাকিব? Many. Multinucleate or sinocytic. Clear? Any questions? Okay. Next. So monokaryotic, dikaryotic, এইবিলাক বস্তু একদম terms বিলাক বিৰাট important. গোটেই fungi part টোত এইবিলাক words আমি use কৰি থাকিম. Now, one information about the septa. Septa কি আছিলে? Hyphae আছে, hyphae এইখনক আমি কি বুলি কৈছো? The divisions or the wall is called as septa. This septa is not continuous. একদম পুৰা continuous নহয়. তাত মাজতে কি থাকে? এটা pore থাকে. Right? এই septa খনতো মাজত কি থাকিব? এটা pore থাকিব. Right? So it is not continuous. কিয় কাৰণে with the help of this pore এটা cellৰ মাজেৰে cytoplasmic continuity টো maintain কৰে. So septa continuous নহয়, মাজত কি থাকে? Pore থাকে. এই pore বিলাক দুটা type. Right? Simple pore মানে এইটো structure, dolly pore structure will discuss later. কি মনত ৰাখিব লাগে? Dolly pore septa কাৰ থাকে? আৰু simple pore কাৰ থাকে? And what are ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, etc., the classes of fungi? Right? Fungi side a class of Hycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. So Basidiomycetes or যোনবিলাক hyphae থাকে, এই hyphae বিলাক septate নে aseptate? They are septate. If they are septate, then obviously the septa will have a pore, right? What is the type of pore that they will have? They will have a special pore that is called as a dolly pore. How does the dolly pore look like? In the next class, maybe we'll do that, right? And Ascomycetes also, they have a septate hyphae, but they have a simple pore. Here.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. In case of fungi, we use two words. দুটা word associated হৈ আছে, এটা হল holocarpic, এটা হল eucarpic. Holocarpic মানে কি? তখন কি লিখা আছে? If the entire cell converts itself into a reproductive structure, that is called as holocarpic. Along agote, we have discussed hologamous, if you remember, the same concept. If the entire cell converts itself into a spore, that is called as holocarpic. If only one part of the mycelium forms a spore, that is called as eucarpic. Eta line বুজি পাইছান নাই?
So, ma'am.
Entire cell কি হব? Spore form কৰিব. Eukaryote কি হব? Part of mycelium এ কি form কৰিব? Spore form কৰিব. Clear? Okay. Next, another two terms.
কেনেকে ফৰ্ম কৰিব ডায়াগ্ৰামটো দেখাই দিব নেকি?
হা?
মানে
কিহৰ? সেইটো আমি পিছত ক্লাছ যেতিয়া proceed হ'ব আৰু আমি ক্লাছ লৈ মানে different classes of fungi will have their different types of spore formation আমি discuss কৰিম.
Okay, ma'am.
Another two terms, homothelic and heterothelic. Fungi sexual reproduction dekhabole nedekhai. Is sexual reproduction present in the kingdom of fungi? Ami etialoke reproduction porha nai, but in spite of that I have asked this question because you should be able to answer about it. Dekhabole nedekhai? Dekhabo kyo dekhabo? Because we have already talked about the first kingdom showing sexual reproduction. Kuntu kingdom asile? Sexual reproduction was first seen in which kingdom? Up till now we have talked about two kingdoms, Monera and Protista. right? So which
Protista.
kingdom? It is
Monera.
Protista, right? No, Monera bacteria can sexual reproduction dekha pai. Monera, Protista, fungi, sexual reproduction ami kone dekha pao. Protista already dekhai pa. So obviously fungi ke thakibo, sexual reproduction thakibo. Right? So if we are talking about sexual reproduction, then obviously ki lagibo? Gametes lagibo? Yes or no?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Homothallic মানে কি? The fusing gametes, দুইটা gametes যদি একেডাল myceliumৰ হয় তেতিয়াহলে homothallic. Clear? Or thallus. If both the fusing gametes are from the same type, homothallic. Fusing gametes form two different thallus, right? You have a, if suppose in this case, suppose this is a fungi and this is a fungi, right? ইয়াৰ পৰা ধৰা male to ahile, ইয়াৰ পৰা female to ahile. So this condition is called as heterothallic. Homothallic কি হ'ব? You have this fungi, এডালৰ পৰা male to ahile and ইয়াৰ পৰা আকৌ female to ahile. This condition is called as homothallic. Just see whether you have understood the term or not. Holocarpic, eucarpic, homothallic, heterothallic. Okay. Next, another point about fungi. If you talk about fungi, tahator cell wall present or absent? Present or absent?
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Present. Made of what?
Cellulose.
Cellulose.
Cytin.
Chitin.
Cytin.
Which is also called as fungal cellulose, right? You cannot be using the word cellulose because cellulose is a characteristic of plant cell and not for fungi. Fungi ki thakibo? All cellulose likhile bhul hobo. Either you can write as a chitin or chitin, or you can write fungal cellulose, right? But this is not very important. What is important? There is one type of fungi that has cellulose in their cell wall. Right? It is Oomycetes. It's a group of fungi. It's a birat question ahe. Karon cellulose car characteristic. Cellulose is a characteristic of plant cell wall. Right? Fungi cell wall is composed of fungal cellulose and not cellulose. But we see a group of fungi where you see cellulose in the cell wall, and which group? Oomycetes. Is the point understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Next, we talk about reproduction, all the three types: vegetative, asexual, sexual. Gute kita dekha pai, right? Asexual, obviously, by means of different types of spores. Sexual, we discuss about vegetative, fragmentation, etc. Fragmentation, binary fission, etc. Normally, whenever we talk about fungi, fungi are examples of multicellular and unicellular. Fungi bilang multicellular, multicellular, very good. But one example of a fungi that is unicellular. Unicellular fungi আছে না নাই?
Yeast.
Yeast is the exception, right? Baki bilak fungi ki hoy? Multicellular hoy. Yeast is the example of a unicellular fungi, right? So reproduction wise, we will see spore formation, binary fission, vegetative or fragmentation dekha pam because the plant body is filamentous, and obviously sexual reproduction. Most commonly, they reproduce by means of spores. Now, there are certain informations about spores that you have to know. spores বিলাকত in case of fungi দুভাগত ভাগ কৰিব পাৰে mitospores meiospores right যোনবিলাক spores develop due to mitosis mitospores develop due to meiosis yes meiospores are the spores that are associated with sexual reproduction mitospores বিলাক কোনবিলাক যোনবিলাক normal spores no যেনেকৈ আমি কম sporangiospore chlamydospore oidea zoospore these are examples of mitospores if you talk about meiospores they are ascospores basidiospores right zygospores these are examples of meiospores so দুটা type of spores দেখা পাও meiospores and mitospores clear Next, another point is spores could be exogenous in origin or endogenous in origin. Exogenous means you have a mycelium. Mycelium oporot spores bilak form korise. Right? This is called as exogenous, external. Endogenous ki you have a sac-like structure. Spores bilak form korise inside something that is called as endogenous. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Mito আৰু মিওটো আকবাৰ কৰি আছো
Mitosis কাৰণে যদি produce কৰে mitospore generally asexual reproduction of যোনবোৰ spores produce কৰে সেইবোৰ mitospore যেনেকে sporangiospores zoospores chlamydospores oidea etc meiospores বিলাক যেনেকে ascospores basidiospores মানে এইবিলাক কি হ'ব sexual reproduction লগত associated sexual reproduction কাৰণে যোনবিলাক spores form কৰে right or because of meiosis those are called as meiospores clear
yes ma'am
next information spores could be thin walled and thick walled spores could be formed in favorable condition or it could be formed in unfavorable condition যোনবিলাক favorable condition of form কৰে thin walled যোনবিলাক unfavorable condition of form কৰে thick walled clear
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
any questions so this is all for today right we have started with the reproduction right this is a part that we are going to continue in the next class also right asexual reproduction keneke hoy sexual reproduction keneke hoy next class we'll be doing that reproduction will be the next unit so thank you for today any questions
no ma'am
okay then thank you
thank you ma'am
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome